Hi, friends and neighbors. Thanks so much for taking a minute to listen to my market insights for the month of November 2025. There is a lot of information about affordability in the news these days, and I thought I might touch on what that means in the housing market in the Portland metro area. We're still struggling with higher interest rates. Yes, the Fed dropped the rate a quarter point, but that actually didn't help interest rates at all. They're hovering over 6% still, and that is the biggest challenge for home buyers and home sellers because there's not a lot of new buyers. We're seeing about price negotiating at least 5% off the list price and days on market extending into the 60-day mark. Some of that is seasonality, but a lot of that is affordability. And there are some other hidden costs of home ownership that are really playing into that as well. In addition to mortgage interest and the price of homes, the insurance costs have gone up so much, property taxes have gone up, and of course, home maintenance. Home maintenance is something that I write about in my blog with this newsletter, but it also is a cost that is increasing. It's also something that needs to be done on a regular basis because any deferred maintenance just costs more later. So please take a look at my blog. I've got some great tips on home maintenance for the winter time frame, and if you follow up and schedule basic maintenance year round, you will protect the value of your home and avoid more costly mistakes. If you have any questions about the real estate market, whether it be this fall or early next year, please let the Carey Hughes Homes team be of service. We are ready to help, and we are expecting some upside in 2026. Happy holidays to all and happy Thanksgiving.